So let's start with the first chapter of 10th standard, linear equation in two variables. So what do you understand by linear equation in two variables? Linear means in a line. Equation means something where it has equal to sign. तो equal to sign के वजह से क्या होता है? You get two sides, a left hand side and a right hand side, and the left hand side equals to the answer which is given on the right hand side. Now what do you understand by the word variable? Variable is a letter. So in this you need two variables. So in the equations you will be having two letters. Clear? For example, x, y, a, b and so on. So basically in linear equation in two variable, this chapter was there in your 9th standard even, where you had only two methods, elimination and substitution method. Correct? And the word problems based on these methods were given to you. But in 10th standard you have more two, that is graphical method and Cramer's rule. Okay, so elimination method and substitution method you have again here in 10th standard, which covers your practice set 1.1. The other practice set covers graphical method and Cramer's rule. Clear? So let's start with practice set 1.1. Now in 1.1 you have elimination method as well as substitution method. Here they will not give which method you have to use. You have to use accordingly whichever you like. Fine. Here you see practice set 1.1. In this they have given you activity. Now whenever you get an activity sum, you are just supposed to fill the blocks given here. You are not asked to add your steps or anything like that. You just have to fill the boxes. Fine. So let's start. So let's complete the activity. First one, 5x plus 3 9 equals 9. So you can see here, whatever you get the answers of x and y at the end, when you fill that answer in these places, you will get the answer as 9. Hence it is called as equation, where you have two variables and an equal to sign which is equating the two sides, which is left hand side and the right hand side. Fine. So this is the equation number 1 given. Second is 2x minus 3y equals 12. This is your equation number 2. So what they have written next is, let's add equation 1 and 2. So let's copy the same. Let's add equation 1 and 2. Hope you remember the rules when to add the equations and when to subtract. 5x plus 3y equals 9 plus 2x minus 3y equals 12. So your first block is here. Now let's remember the rules, where when you have opposite signs you are supposed to add, and also the coefficient is the number next to the variable. So when the coefficients are same and you have opposite signs, you are supposed to add. So you cancel this because they are same and having opposite signs. So 5x plus 2x is 7x. 7 is the first block required. Equals, you have to add the numbers on the right hand side. 9 plus 12. How much is 9 plus 12? 21. This is the another box. Then you have to solve this. X is equal to 21 divided by 7. These are again the blanks required. So here you get the value of x as 7 ones are 7 and 21 is 7 threes are. So your answer is 3. So what did you get the value of x? It is 3. You can see here they have written place x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So this is right. So let's place x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Place x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So what was the equation number 1? 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 is your equation number 1. So wherever you have x, you are supposed to write 3 there. So 5 into 3, okay, so this was the box again, plus 3y equals 9. Now 5 3s is how much? 15, correct? So 15 plus 3y equals 9. Then this 15 will come on the right hand side, and when it comes on the right hand side, the sign changes. Here the 15 is getting added, so when it will go on the right hand side, it will get subtracted. So 3y equals 9 minus 15. So here you have the another blank, that is 15. So 3y equals 9 minus 15, which is minus 6. So y equals 3y equals minus 6. So y equals minus 6 divided by 3. These are again the blanks required. So y is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6. So your answer is y equals minus 2. Okay. So here you got the solution as solution is x, y. See, the value of x you got is 3 and the value of y is minus 2. Even if you solve y first and you get the value of y first, then also you are supposed to write the y next and the value of x should always come first. So here we complete with the sum number 1.